Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? So, a bit of a quick one. I'm feeling quite fatigued today, and it's pretty clear to me what's going on. It's my medicine. The dosing isn't quite right. Obviously, I'm pretty sure it would be too high, and that's from. I'll just turn this mic up a little bit. That's from the pills that I've been making myself, but I'm making them myself because it's a lot cheaper for me to make them myself. So one batch that I was taking there, I crushed up 5 low dose naltraxone tablets, and obviously it was right. It would be at least 2 milligrams per tablet, and that's probably why I feel so bad. So I'm going to try the 1.5 milligram tablets. Well, I did crush up 4, so it could be as high as 2, but spread out. Hopefully it's not as high as 2 milligrams each, or else I'll have to take a little bit out of each tablet. But so it's hard to get the dosing right, but there is absolutely research out there. I just checked with PubMed that your symptoms can get worse when you first start low-dose naltraxone, or if the dosage isn't right. So, for example, besides the extra fatigue, so I tried to do a little bit of shopping today, and I did find some of that Dove cucumber soap, so I'm very happy about that, on special, that I talked about earlier on another video for psoriasis. But my whole body feels like lead. I feel like I'm wearing a very heavy meat suit. The good news is my appetite's not very high today, which is great, which is obviously low dose naltraxone. Yeah, and so my weight's pretty good, even though kind of falling off the wagon the last couple of days, eating just rubbish, frankly. So I'm going to go back on the wagon today, but as I said, the good news is I don't have an appetite so much today. But anyway, my point of the video is this: yes, you can feel worse if you up your dose, if you're starting low dose naltraxone, if you get your dosage wrong, and they tell us to titrate your dose. In other words, lower your dose or whatever. And of course, check with your doctor before you do anything. One good thing though, I had really good sleep last night, 8 hours, which is amazing. And I only think I got up once, but the pain control is really good. So I guess in my case, and I'm kind of thinking out loud now, when I get a stage where there's too much pain, I can take a higher dose and then just realize that I'm going to be fatigued for the next couple of days after, but then I'll get the pain under control. Anyway, that's the main point I wanted to put out today, that yes, you can feel worse starting low-dose naltraxone. You can feel worse if the dose is not right. And you need to adjust your dose accordingly. Okay, I'm going to rest up. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Teach us out. God bless. Let's use my little key fob thing. Ciao.